11:07. Stopped at the coffee shop, St. David, something, I forget what it's called. Here with Ryan. He hit me up. I think I found your work recently.
Yeah, a couple months ago.
Yeah, very recent, but he has great work. We just connected because I was heading to UK, so here we are. We're going to Cliffs of Dover, which is somewhere I've wanted to go for, and you have never been there.
No, first time.
No excuse. All right, so we'll be there in a second. Anything you want to say?
Not really.
Yeah, perfect. Awesome, thank you. Probably the White Cliffs. How's it feel to be playing tourist in your own country?
Pretty good.
Nice. It's pretty windy out. Hopefully the audio is okay, but there's some horses chilling over there. Lots of dogs. So far, England's pretty good. Is that the one? Yeah. That was the one. So I don't know if any of you guys have ever heard of the Cliffs of Dover, but the only reason I ever heard of it was from Guitar Hero 3. There's this song called Cliffs of Dover, and I'm pretty sure it's by Eric Johnson. And here we are, Cliffs of Dover, baby. I need to find that song. Brings back memories?
Just a little.
Just a little. Wait, stay right there real quick. Oh, oh no. Classic, not even surprised. Walk just kind of back to where you were. Up a little bit. Yeah. Look a little to your right. Yeah, right there. Perfect. Yeah. That was us. That was almost us.
Yeah, it's been
Yeah.
kind of, you know when you're at that point where
He was just standing right there. It's a bit steep. I'm just gonna have you stand on that, like, the centerpiece right there. Yeah, actually, stagger.
like just him as a person. I mean, I don't know who he is, but like just what he puts out on social media is like,
it's so nice. Nice to meet you, man. Thanks for coming out.
no, that's a pleasure. Honestly.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, it was so. It was like that was my goal, was to see Cliffs of Dover. So I met it. Throw up the F22 still.
Yeah.
Do it again. Deuces. I've been working here for about like the past 2 days. I have not moved much. So it's quite a few days after the Cliffs of Dover scene, and I'm still in London. So to catch up to speed, it was Cliffs of Dover, and then I went back to the Airbnb. I just couldn't stay at that Airbnb. It just wasn't ideal for what I needed. So I ditched and I came to this Airbnb, which is very ideal for what I need. A much better location, a nice little working desk. That's literally all I've been doing, sitting at that desk, working on the book I'm working on. I was hoping the London portion of the trip would be a little more interesting, but literally it's just been spent right there, or this coffee shop down the street, or working out on this floor, or running outside somewhere. But check out the view. It's brilliant. Oops. So yeah, this book has literally just consumed my entire life. But I'm not even mad about it. I look forward to editing all these photos. I get excited to work on it. Like, I've literally been spending most every day, usually 8 hours or more a day, on this thing. Like, it's been a labor of love. Near the beginning it was tough, but now that it's kind of becoming more of a curated piece of work and a curated body of work, I am just super stoked on it. And I'm honestly, like, I actually don't mind being in London. I actually don't mind being in London having to work on this, because I'm honestly having so much fun. Like, I wish I could go, excuse me. Like, I wish I could go out and like see London and stuff, but like, it's okay, London will always be here. Like, just with deadlines and stuff, I have to finish this.